guys, welcome to my new video. Today I will do an unboxing of my digital microscope. As you can see here, this one is about 10 years old. Okay, I bought it around 2013, 2014, and until now I haven't used it. So this is my first unboxing video for this guy. I don't know what it looks like inside, whether it's still function or no, or even still in one piece, but we will go through together. Okay, so this is a Chinese microscope. It's a digital one. Okay, its state here can be used for skin inspection, education, industrial, jewelry, all the thing, and I'm sure this can be used for PCB inspection as well, or we can use it to investigate or inspect whether there's a, the small traces of the PCB or the chipset, or even the SMD, QFN, PJ, what they call the PGA. These packages also we can use it. Okay, so this is the model. There's a USB model, U500X. So I guess is the magnification is 500 times. Black color, made in China for sure. And I guess I remember, like, back then when I bought it, it's a few hundred USDs. It's not that cheap actually. And actually no, it's not a wireless one. This one, I don't know why they mentioned the wireless here. Mine is just a normal one. Got no Wi-Fi, got no nothing. Just same exactly like this. Got the wire, USB wire, then connect to the computer. Okay. And here, yeah, nothing to do with the wireless. This is just a standard wire microscope. Again, yes, USB is a 500X Black Edition, and looks like it's compatible with Windows XP, Vista, and the rest. Okay. So yeah, this is how it looks like from outside. Now we try to open it. There we go. Okay. Now we try to open the box. Here we go. Wow, you can see the rust. 10 years old, guys. Can you imagine that? Okay, it comes with the holder. This is the holder, put it aside. This is the microscope itself. Wow, I can see it's very sticky. And wow, we got some decoloration thingy. I don't know, is it like fungus or I don't know. This one I believe should be black, but now it's like changed the color. Let me try to scratch it. Oh yeah, you can see. I don't know whether it's bacteria or fungus here. You see? Wow. I guess I need to wear glove, but I don't have for time being. It's okay. Okay, anyway, so this is the microscope, the digital microscope. Okay, come with the USB. Let me open the USB cable. Okay, this is the one. Okay, come with the button, snap button. I guess you can see the dirt and the looks like sticky grease on the top. Okay, and here is the LED, the ring LEDs on the side, and here you can control the magnification or the focus of the magnifications. Okay, you can see the lenses go up and down. There we go, see the lens. I'm not sure if it's still working or no, but we tried to operate it anyhow. Okay, put this one aside. Let's zoom. Now let's see what else. This is the base. Base also kind of rusty. What else goes inside? We got some CD, and also I guess this is for calibration or testing modules. Okay. Let's see if you can zoom. Yeah, this is for calibration and testing, I believe. Okay, I keep it aside for the time being. So now let's see how to assemble this guy. First we start with the base. Okay, I believe this one will need to go like this to be on the ball. There we go. Yep. Then we will need to attach this guy here. There we go. Okay, so here is a closer look on the microscope. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Again, you can see the dirt and the thing like stuck on it, but hopefully it's still working. Okay, this is the cable. So you can see the cable got this like a potentiometer to control, if I'm not mistaken, this is to control the brightness of the LEDs. Okay. Wow, it's been 10 years old. I never use it. I don't know why I bought this guy, then I never use it. Okay. So now let's try to connect it to the PC. But do we need to install any drivers or software? Okay, so now we will try to connect it to the computer. So I already have the USB extension here. Then we try to hook it up to the computer and see what happens. Nothing happened. Yes, haha! Can see the LED is. Can see the LED is doing something. But I don't hear anything from the PC. Let's try. I'm not sure how to open this guy. Let's try. I remember we need to use Paint, if I'm not mistaken. Paint, then you can see it will be open as a camera. No. How to open these guys? Let me disconnect again. Okay, now I hear it's being detected, but how to check, I have no idea. Try to open the webcam maybe. Calibrate this camera. Nope. I don't know if it's that normal or no, but I don't see. Wait, my camera is loading. Okay, now so I'll try to go to the device manager and see what can we see from there. Okay, here we go. So this is the device manager. You see here, looks like there is a camera here. There we go. Can I update the drive? Scan automatically. Let's see if can find anything for this camera. Looks like okay. Looks like the driver already been updated. The driver is already installed. Okay. So since it's installed, why I can't see it as a camera? Let me open the camera again. Camera. Fix from camera for sure. And this is not the one, I believe. Does it need to change maybe? Oh yeah. Change the camera. This is the one for the laptop one. Okay, now I can change to the USB camera, but boy, it's dark. Why it's dark? Now it's a USB camera, I believe. But why it's dark? Is it because I believe, yeah, might be the sensor is being what they call the sensor being covered with some dirt or something. I believe we need to open it and do some cleaning for the camera sensor. You see here, now I'll change to the laptop camera. Then if I click, it will show you then, yeah, USB camera. This should be, we can see something. Hello. Hello, where is the testing? Hold on, guys. Hopefully you can see something. I believe now we just need to, what they call, need to focus it. No, no. Yeah, I can see something. Focus. No. Well, it looks like I'm seeing something. Let me find some PCB, old PCB, so I can see if we can zoom in. Okay, I have this old PCB. Let's see if we can. Yeah, I can see the shadow of the green color of the PCB. Yes, almost there. Here we go. We got an image, but although it's not that great, but yeah, baby. Here we go. This is our PCB, but it doesn't look like, whoa, very touchy one. But it looks like he's doing the business. Here we go. Okay, let me show you how it looks like on the other one. Okay guys, so here is how it looks like. So I already set it up like this. Okay, this is the working distance, kind of small. I believe I want the higher working distance. I need to maybe put this guy on a higher what they call higher offset, like box or something. Maybe I'll use this guy. Yep, like this. Let's see now if we can zoom into this thing. It's not easy, very touchy, you know, because this one looks like really got like full of gunk. And oh, this is the maximum. I can't rotate anymore. This is the maximum. But okay, it's working. Although it takes time, maybe it takes time to update the driver or something. But yeah, we can use it maybe in the future to inspect some PCB and zoom into some ICs to do some reverse engineering or any way. Okay, so let's find maybe a bigger PCB. Okay, I have this another LCD. So we see what we can see. Oh, kind of nice. Okay, we can see. For sure, it's not that great, but it's still usable to do some inspection or maybe like take some screenshots, closer screenshots of the PCB or anything. Okay, you can see here the mechanism of this variable potentiometer. You can see the wiper here, and also the two, one here, the two fixed points. Okay, and also I noticed kind of laggy actually, not that, I mean, fast update microscope. And also I can see the color, not that, not correct color, temperature color. You can see this is a kind of greenish color. Okay. Okay, that's good. At least now we can see and read. For example, we can read the value of this resistor. We can see whether these jumpers, they are soldered or no. Okay, you can see here these jumpers also. For example, this one soldered on the upper side, this is soldered on the lower side. Yeah, it's kind of useful, but not bad. Not bad. Yeah, it's 10 years old, guys. Can you imagine that? It's been laying down in my storage for 10 years old. Can you see something on the screen? No? Okay, so I guess it's a winner. Winner, chicken dinner. Yeah, my microscope, digital microscope, kind of working and everything okay. But for sure, again, not that fast and great update, but better than nothing. We can't complain. Okay, so yeah, I guess I will be ending this video up to here, where we can see how we operate and how we turn on this microscope. Maybe in the future I will start to planning to disassemble it, then maybe clean it, then we lubricate some mechanical things, especially for the focus mechanism. Okay, maybe then we will start to use it in the future review. Okay, great. Looks great. I'm happy with that. It's been laying around for 10 years. I guess it's time to use it. Don't know why I just keep it there in the storage box rather than I just use it. It's really useful. I mean, yeah, we can do many things with this microscope. Or maybe, yeah, I'm planning actually to take out, or what they call etch this, the silicone or epoxy chip on board. Then maybe we can see the silicone layers, the bare die on the PCB, and how they do the bonding wires. All this we can do with this digital microscope. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoy my 10 years old microscope unboxing, and stay tuned for the next video where I will try to clean it and also dismantle it, and we do some internal cleaning. Okay, good. See you.